What is data modeling? Data modeling in Power BI is the process of creating and organizing relationship between different sources. It is the process of defining the relationship between the columns of two tables to produce meaningful insight. Let's understand the data modeling in practice. Go to the data modeling tab. Here we can see the structure of all the 7 tables we have imported into Power BI. We can also see the relationship between these two tables. For example, if we see the product category table and the product subcategory table, these two tables are linked to each other on a common column named product category ID. If we really want to see the relationship, then I will take my cursor and we can see that the common column between these two tables is highlighted. The moment we import the tables into Power BI, the Power BI will automatically detect the relationship between these tables. The reason Power BI was able to detect the relationship between these two tables is quite simple. The relationship column shares the same name. But this could not be the condition for every table. For example, if we look at the product and the sales order table, we can see that the common column between these two tables is product ID and the product ID. But Power BI didn't detect the relationship automatically. The reason is the name of the columns of these tables are not same. For product table, it is product ID, and for sales order, it is prod ID. In order to get the meaningful insights from the different tables, it is very important that the tables must be connected to each other on a common column. If the relationship do not exist between two tables, then we won't be able to get the accurate data. Let's understand this with an example. Now go to the report tab and click on table. Now drag product ID from product table and you can see that the output generated is not accurate. For each product ID, it is showing the total of sales amount which is not accurate. The reason is product table and the sales order table is not connected to each other using a common column. Or we can say that there is no relationship between these two tables. So we will again go to the model tab and we can see that there is no relationship between these two tables. So let's see how we can create a relationship between these two tables manually. First of all, we should be very clear about how these two tables are linked. Once we have a sound understanding of how these two tables are linked, then only we can proceed and create a relationship manually between these two tables. So we are aware that the tables product and sales order is connected to each other using product ID and product ID column. We will simply select the product ID from product table and drag it to prod ID of sales order table. I'll select the product ID and drag it over here. New relationship tab is open. Here we can see the details. Our two tables are connected to either using product ID and product ID. Now I will click on save. And now we can see that we have created the relationship between these two tables successfully. There is another way of creating the relationship between two tables using the manage relationship tab. Let me first delete the relationship manually so that we can create a new relationship. Our relationship is deleted. Now we can create a new relationship, manage relationship tab. Now go to the manage relationship tab at the top and click. The manage relationship tab is open. And now in order to create a new relationship, we will click on new relationship. Now from I will select product table and into I will select sales table, sales order table. And now we need to select the common column. So I'll select product ID from product table and prod ID from the sales order table. We can check the cardinality and the cross filtering. And now I will select save. Now click on close. And now we can see that we have successfully created the relationship between these. And now if I go to my report tab, and now I can see that the table is generating the accurate data, getting the sum of sales amount for each product ID, which is the accurate data. Now we have understand that how important it is for us to make relationship between these two tables.